Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are noticing desktop icons are missing or disappeared in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager under the Windows processes, you just need to search for Windows Explorer. You just need to scroll this part to bottom, and now you find Windows Explorer. Right click on it and select Restart. And now hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. Just close that off here. If you're still having issue, then you just need to right click on the desktop and select view, select show desktop icons, click on it, and now as you can see the desktop icon is showing now. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.